What's up, Adventure Squad? It is Saturday and it is a beautiful freaking day outside. It has been raining. It's been raining like, whoa, here we go. It's been raining all week long. Sun has barely peeked its head out. Today's the first day, so I'm waking up. Well, actually, it's a little later than expected. But I'm gonna go get some coffee and do some editing, and then we're going on a little adventure here with Mike and Liz. I think that's it. We're gonna go to some cool place here in New Zealand, here in New Plymouth. So I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So let's get some coffee, man. I need some coffee, bro. Alright. Now we're ready. We made it to the coffee place, and usually I'm here every day during the week, and the workers are really nice, and coffee's good. Got me a flat white. My flat white, it's a flat white, large flat white with 3 sugars. Yes, I said 3 sugars. Just don't. It's good. I love it. Anyways, some coffee. Hi, Tracy. See, they knew my name when I walked in. I'm working on my vlog. This is Tracy. She's awesome.
Hi, how are you?
Like a flat white, 3 sugars, please.
What?
3 sugars.
3.
Yeah.
Alright.
Take care, guys.
See you later.
Bye. God bless. Just got my coffee, and I'm really excited about this because the best way to start the day with some coffee. Oh yeah, that's the stuff. Anyways, I'm on my way back home because I gotta do some editing real quick, and then I just got a notification that Sarah Dici just uploaded a YouTube video, which if you do not know who Sarah Dici is, she's amazing, and she's freaking awesome and smart and cool. And one of my favorite vloggers, so probably watch that beforehand. And yeah, why don't we do that in about 3, 2, 1. All right, I'm back home. Now I got my coffee, and here it is right here. Oops, whoops. Here it is right here. And I'm gonna watch that vlog with Sarah Dici, Roses Peachy. And then I'll get started with my editing stuff because I'm about to edit, and she gives really good advice and suggestions about editing and color grading. That's actually the episode I'm about to watch. So thank you, Sarah Dici. And let's get do this. All right, guys. That was a
Give me back my hat.
There's an argument going on. Anyways, I did some editing. And I saw Sarah Dici's vlog, which is awesome. Gave me some great tips on color grading. She's awesome. And my roommates are having, yeah. Anyways, we're about to head out to Dawson Falls and get to some sort of adventure because I feel like I haven't done enough adventuring here in New Zealand. These guys are nuts. Anyway, so let's see where the road takes us. So let's go.
What do we sound effects?
Okay, we finally, that's Liz.
Hi.
That's here's your premiere to my vlog. This is Mike's girlfriend.
This is Cole. Hello, guys.
How's it like dating Mike?
Pretty good. He's a pretty cool guy. Pretty 10 out of 10.
Just kidding. Finally on this adventure.
Finally on this adventure, and I'm driving, which is okay.
We need some travel music right about now. Alright guys, we actually just got to Dawson Falls.
I'm putting a poncho on, which I'm not happy at.
I feel like we're like in this, I feel like we're hobbits.
We are.
This is like one of the best times. Like, I'm so freaking happy I'm in New Zealand right now. Like, it's times like this that I kind of look around and I'm like, there's Mike and Liz. It's like, I'm like, I don't know, New Zealand, man. And it sounds like this, like, oh my mind gets blown away. This is so cool. Always stairs, New Zealand, always stairs. I joke about there being always stairs, you look. Even in the wilderness. Even in the wilderness you have stairs. Come on, man. Well, good thing I've been working out, you know, so. Jeez, a freaking wheeze. Alright, guys.
No, don't, guys. We're gonna trip. You go, and then I get the back. Are you gonna give me piggyback?
Yeah.
Here you go. Go, flip.
Wait,
Actually,
why doesn't anyone give me
fall over
piggyback?
on the trip.
Oh
Oh yeah, okay, put me down. Put me down.
That is legit. Alright guys, this is the end of